Hello buddies, so let's create $500 website within a minute. So first, nothing. I will go to Chrome and I will search best 44, my favorite no-code builder. Then I will move my favorite PDF, which I have created with very hard work. So I want to create website, so I will create no-code website. Where is my yes? Free master, everything is available. Free master no-code website. So let's create. Okay, here is the master prompt. Single prompt will create any website. Which type of website you need? Any website. The basic fundamental, the basic structure. Just you have to fill up some bracket that I will show you how. Just go down, move completely, it will create. Yes. Control. Go ahead. Press 44. Press 44. Press 44. So I am already signed. Might be. Let me check my credits. Might be. Let's check. Control V. Pasted. Now just I have to provide what? Nothing. I have to provide what I have given. Only you have to provide website name, which type of website it is, whether it is a business, restaurant, doctor, travel, SaaS, blog, or anything, or your primary goal what you want to book a book, or you want to create a lead, or you want to sell it, anything like core features, what things you have to include in it, like forms, booking, post, payments. Again, color preference also you can give. See, I will provide everything. So now I have to create website. So how I will create? I will first go to Google Map. I will Google Map. And I will search. Let's check. Okay. Some small local businesses like saloon. Saloon near me. Near me means I live in India, so I will search for India. Then you will find those who have website or not. Just move here and check whether they have website or not. See, first client I got. What he written? Add website. Nothing. Just indulge saloon near my here. So just copy this. Control C. Do your best 44. Then what you have to, my business is what? Saloon. This what type of business? My is saloon business. Which business? Saloon business. Right, name provided where it is. Ah, yeah. Example, right? Saloon. Saloon business. This is then this much. Then I will provide some little more details, like I will just copy paste it. Now more control C. Will move to my base 44. Okay. Here I will add some details like color feature, form, everything. I will provide color. Let's make it yellow green combination. Yellow in combination combination. And at last I will provide some more detail, more detail about client website. just control. Now enter. See, started, it's working easily. You can press. So let's check once more. If you want that PDF, once again, want that PDF content, let it work it. So where is my master prompt is available, for which you can create any website. Again, I have separately created a prompt for those website also, which is means those businesses which grows is growing rate is more. Like see, for restaurant website, if you're creating only restaurant website, you can just copy paste this. If you're creating a doctor or a clinic website, you can copy paste this. If you're creating a SaaS website, means software as a service website, you can copy paste this. If you're creating a website for travel agency, you can create this. And for agency website, with this full PDF link I will provide in description, go and surely check it out. Okay, what I am saying, go and surely check it out. It will surely and sell to any client for 500 or see, I will see you. I will see the client is creating. Let's now copy this to, I will move to WhatsApp. I move. After moving WhatsApp, after new, I need to get control V. After pasting C, got that totally. I have already shared one mockup for them. I have already shared them, so they will reply again. By this way, you can sell it their website for $500, $200, and let's check. These are the page now. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like if you want such type of video more, comment below. I will bring more videos. And you can research more, and you can go to salon just for you. Because I created them. Then we have professional salon. I don't want Indian people, but my maximum targets are California, Los Angeles, because their client pay more amount. India, let's move to California, California. Okay, let's check our website is still now going on. Very easily create and sell to anything. If you also want, I have more PDF also, like uh, this one. I have created this for consistent AI character ad. If you are running an ad agency and you are very difficult to create ad, the full prompt through which you can create any ad this year. Second, also I am showing, if you want to create a SaaS app, see out where is that? Let's SaaS. Not for real SaaS web or app development. You can create full-fledged app. This app you can create, or SaaS app you can create. Just give me a prompt. How beautiful. Using only that platform, this platform. Only this platform. The best for you. everything, your website, your app, your SaaS tool, everything. So go and check it out. Link in bio. I'm telling you, go and check it out for the prompt. Okay, prompt link or prompt PDF is in the bio. Go and check it out. It's create. Don't forget to comment on which topic should I bring more types of videos so that it will helpful to you create and sell to or make money online. Every detail, how it's planning, how it is designing, the provider home, everything. Very beautiful. Detail. Writing everything. Let's check it. Again also I will show you how I created another app using this, for which you can just scan the food and it will show you how much calorie it is, protein it is, would you prefer it or not. There also I have integrated a voice agent in everything you will see. So if you are really want to make money in this today's era, so you should learn no means you should obviously learn prompt engineering as well as no code platform like S44, Google AI Studio, Anti Gravity, Love